What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subie fam. This is your boy B Cabral. We got Juanito here with the boys Oreo and Boost. And we're just gonna be installing a few exterior mods on the Subaru STI. Let's get into it. Remember, if you're liking the content and enjoying all the videos, subscribe to the channel and check out the Instagram over here. Let's jump into it. Wing stabilizers. Looking clean. Alright everybody, I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. Make sure you drop a like and comment your exterior mods and what else you think I should do. I'm thinking maybe bags, rims, something to make it pop. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Subie fam out.